In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get a Bitcoin-backed loan on Coinbase. If you're holding Bitcoin and want to borrow USDC without selling, this is one of the easiest and most secure ways to do it. We'll use the Coinbase app live on screen, and I'll guide you through each step. Let's get started. First, what is a Bitcoin loan on Coinbase? This feature allows you to borrow USDC by putting up Bitcoin as collateral. Your BTC stays yours. It's just locked during the loan. What's different about this setup is that your collateral will be stored on-chain using a secure protocol called Morpho. That adds transparency and security on top of the Coinbase interface. Here's what you need before we begin. A verified Coinbase account, Bitcoin already in your portfolio, access to 2FA in either a passkey or security key, US residency. Coinbase Borrow is only available in select states. A supported device to create a passkey. Now, let's walk through it together. From the Coinbase homepage, tap Portfolio to view your asset balances. Next, tap on Cash to access your cash wallet and borrowing options. Scroll down, and under the Loan section, tap Borrow. Here you'll see Coinbase explain the process. It confirms that you'll need to lock the same amount of BTC as the amount you want to borrow in USDC. Tap Continue. Now enter how much USDC you want to borrow. You'll need to have the equivalent amount in Bitcoin as collateral. It's a 1-to-1 match. Before finalizing the loan, you'll need to secure it with a passkey or a hardware security key. Choose the option that works best for your device. If you select the passkey, Coinbase will guide you through creating one. This adds extra protection to your account and this transaction. Now, once everything is set and you've looked over the details of your loan transaction, tap Borrow Now to initiate the loan. Hit Accept and Continue, and you will now be redirected off Coinbase to Morpho, the protocol that stores your Bitcoin on-chain. This is where your BTC will be held securely until the loan is repaid. And just like that, the USDC will appear in your account. Getting a loan against your Bitcoin on Coinbase is a great way to unlock liquidity without selling your crypto. But remember, if the price of Bitcoin drops significantly, you may risk liquidation if the collateral loses value. So borrow conservatively, monitor your long-term value, and always stay informed. That's it. Now you know how to set up a Bitcoin loan on Coinbase using Morpho for secure on-chain storage. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see me cover other lending platforms next. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeff, and I'll see you in the next one.